Good evening. I am going to make some haystacks this evening. Let me get my pan oiled up here. I had never made any of these. Okay, I have put some white chocolate chips in the microwave and got them melted. And I'm going to add some pecans. The walnuts. Okay. And I've got some of these Chinese style noodles. So I'm going to use them. And I've already got them broke up. See if I can break these on up. Now I'm going to put them in this like I said, I've never made these before. I dropped it on my stove. I'll have to clean that up. Had to work fast with this because I hope everybody's doing all right. I'm going to put these in the refrigerator and let them harden up, and I'll bring you back when I get through. All right, they're ready to come up. There they are. That wasn't as hard as I thought they'd be. It didn't take long for that those white chocolate chips to harden, but I had to put them in the microwave and melt them. The reason it didn't take so long. Alright, there's my haystacks. If you like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe, and hit that little bell when you want to be notified when I got another video coming out. Thank y'all so much for watching.